problem, Mr. Wen? Yes. Does he pierce himself?
Yes.
Oh. This one follow we interviewed him. He said when he pierces himself, got a really enjoyed speaking to this man. He was so delightful. He was saying, he kept on talking about how happy he was when he was possessed by the deity. He said when he pierced himself, he felt even happier. And the spikes,
这小孩儿送到最多钱不交。
the spikes that he used, he said they look like tiny needles in his hand. They're about this long.
哦，10年这个不年了。喂，这10年这个都漏啊。
有啊。
10年都漏是放短。
哦，是不是啊？那这个
都10几年不是漏。
都10几年不是漏。
哦，漏。
这还是
10几年不是漏。
啊，听说了。这叫98年的嘛，97年。啥97年？96年，96年97年嘛。
哦，漏。
10几年不着这。
是要去那嘛也还很浓啊。
好嘞。
这是啥事情？
他是可能是什么的？
要是能从国家中上福建这儿搞的话，这能吧？
这外国公司红推荐也，
但这那嘛一趟很浓啊，该不是吧？这
可是都是为了我们的。 这是胡主，张伟的当家的。
你好，你好。
当家的我的爷爷，他是他的子弟。
Oh, okay.
'Will he sit there or sit here?
没见了，
啊，
这个楼还没见了。好嘞，还给还好是这个在不？
真是对金行的。你在中城城1年3万位。
我们不好。
门你是那帮他组长。
아니 나사 아니 그래서 하나가 더 사기 전에 한 그릇이 더 사기 더 사기 되고 뭐 소비는 시
But still, he says it's difficult for him to read. Or that he's too... It's not because of the piercing.
这是来红嘛？都40多公用呗。
他也山上比较短。
这是很特别。你电视呗呢？
电视声音，
黑那个
那声音那那个。当时那个声音那还是个该是慢慢在给咱拉着来呗。